Let me ask you something. Do you remember the car your dad used to drive in the 1960s? Chances are, it's on this list. Number 1. The 1964 Ford Mustang. Introduced in 1964, it gave birth to the pony car, a compact, stylish, and affordable performance car. What made it special was simple. It brought excitement to everyday drivers. Before the Mustang, performance cars were expensive. After it, anyone could own one. With over 1 million units sold in under 2 years, the Mustang became the symbol of youthful freedom in America.
Number 2, the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro.
The Camaro was Chevrolet's direct response to the Mustang. But it wasn't just a copy. It was built to compete and in many ways to outperform. With a wider range of engines and aggressive styling, the Camaro gave drivers more control over how much power they wanted. More importantly, it started a rivalry that would define American performance culture for decades.
Number 3, the 1969 Dodge Charger.
The Charger represented the bold side of the 1960s. Long, wide, and aggressive, this was muscle car design at its peak. Its powerful V8 engines delivered straight-line speed that defined the muscle car era. But what made the Charger truly iconic was its presence. It looked powerful even when standing still.
Number 4, 1968 Pontiac GTO. If the Mustang started a trend, the GTO started a revolution. Often called the first true muscle car, the GTO proved that putting a big engine into a mid-size car was a winning formula. It wasn't about luxury, it wasn't about comfort, it was about power. And that formula shaped nearly every muscle car that followed. Number 5, 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray.
While muscle cars focused on raw power, the Corvette Stingray showed another side of American engineering. It combined performance with design. The split rear window, sharp lines, and aerodynamic shape made it one of the most visually distinctive cars ever built. It proved that American cars.
Number 6, the 1967 Shelby GT500. The Shelby GT500 took the Mustang and pushed it beyond its limits. Developed by Carroll Shelby, it focused on higher performance and track-ready capability. With more horsepower and improved handling, it showed what American muscle could become when performance was the priority.
Number 7, the 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. The Roadrunner took a completely different approach. Instead of adding features, it removed them. No luxury, no unnecessary extras, just power at a lower cost. This made high performance accessible to more people, especially younger drivers. And that simplicity is exactly what made it successful. Number 8, the 1968 Dodge Dart GTS. The Dart GTS proved that size didn't define performance. Smaller and lighter than many muscle cars, it still packed serious power under the hood. It became known as a sleeper, a car that didn't look fast but absolutely was. And that made it one of the most surprising performers of its time.